Taja versus Vidly review. Hello guys, welcome to Clever Marketing. In today's video, I'll be doing a comparison between Taja and Vidly. They're both YouTube SEO software that can create descriptions, give you tags and title. And Taja can even create a thumbnail for you. So without wasting much of your time, let's go to AppSumo because Taja is having a lifetime promotion right now. Let's look at Taja on AppSumo, the prices, and after that, I'll be showing you how you can use Taja to create a description, a title, and tags for your YouTube video. So now we are on Taja. Taja have a promotion right now for lifetime deal for $59. And when you scroll down, it will give you all the tiers, what they have, their plans. So here, a single tier, which is tier 1, give you the lifetime access, generate title, 4 videos per month, description, 4. The double will give you 8 videos per month, titles, description. It generates the chapters, hashtags. The multiple, which is 177, gives you 12 videos per month. And the last one, which is the tier 4, gives you unlimited, which is $236. So this is the deal for Taja. And at this moment, I'm going to show you how Taja works. And after that, I'll go to Vidly and give you a breakdown of Vidly too. So this is my Taja page right now. Here, to create a tag, a description, and the title, here in Taja, you can just go to YouTube and copy your video link, bring it back to Taja, paste it here. And once you start, you'll go in and analyze the video. Even if your video do not have a title or description, you can just create a video, make sure you put it on unlisted or private. And once you get the video link, Taja will create the title, the description, and the tag for you. So now it's done. The product name is Product Dino. And this is the title that Taja gave us. Why Product Dino is a game changer for digital creators. See, when you look at the spelling, it's Product Dino. The Dino is D-Y-N-O. But here it says D-I-N-O. So when you're using Taja, there are things that you might have to correct. And when you scroll down, it gives you all the description for the product. Okay, these are the descriptions for the product here. And after that, it will give you the hashtags, the chapters of each section, intro, creating product, which is the chapter 2. Then these are the tags, as you can see here. So one thing that I find it kind of interesting is the spelling of the product, which is Product Dino, the D-Y-N-O. But Taja did Product Dino, which is D-I-N-O. So when you're using Taja, these are some of the things that you really have to look at. And I think it's because of the AI. And after you're done, you can just publish it direct to YouTube because it gave you all the title and the tags. And when you scroll all the way down, what it does too is it gives you the transcript of the video right here. And then it will give you these are the thumbnails that I get. So I can edit the thumbnails, and after that, I'll post it, add it to my video, and post it on YouTube. So looking here, this is Taja. And after I'm done with this, I will leave you guys to let me know which one you think is better. And please make sure you comment below which one you think is better. Looking at the prices, I started with the price because of both softwares, what it does, and how much it costs. So now, this is Taja here. Now let's go to Vidly. This is the price for Vidly. It creates the title, but it doesn't do thumbnails. It will give you the tags and the description. And I'll be walking you through how Vidly also works. I'll be doing a step by step. I don't want this video to be long, so I'm trying my best to kind of move a little fast. And Vidly is at ClickBank for $27, and it's lifetime too. So when you look at Vidly here, you can go to the website and get more information. I'll be leaving the link below on both softwares. And please be sure to hit the like button and click on our subscribe. It will really help us. Thank you very much. So this is Vidly, and if I go here with Vidly, okay, so I want to create the same title here and see what I get. So when you go to Vidly, what it does is it can give you a keyword. So first, what I'll do is I'll go to the keyword section and you click here. It says worldwide. You can choose anywhere your target is. So I'll do worldwide or everywhere. So I'll type in product Dino review. Remember, guys, Vidly don't do thumbnails. So after that, I'll click on search. So as you can see, it's searching for titles. I got one here. So what I do is I'll copy, and you can have your own title too, and just come here and paste it on video details, and it will generate the description. It will write the tag for you, the title for you, and it'll give you the tag. So if I click here, paste, what it does is product Dino 2022, which you can edit. So I'll click on it, click on next, which you see always, so it's product Dino here. So I don't know where product review program Dyson came about, but it will let you write keywords. 3 or up to 5. So I'll do product, dino, review, product, dino, review, demo, product, dino, review, demo, video. Okay, so after I do this, I click on next, and here, when you look here, you can add a link. Let's say you have an affiliate link, you can place it here, your YouTube channel link. If you have a Facebook page, Twitter, which is X right now, if you have a link, or Instagram. So let's say I place this, I copy my YouTube link and place it on there. Click on generate. It says, are you sure you want to start generating? Yes. And this is what it did for us. So when you click on it, it says product dino review demo, and in here it says check it out. So when you scroll down here, you see it gives you the link that I placed here just for the test, and it says our video is about product dino review topic, available information, but try to cover the subject. So these are all the keywords that I placed. As you can see here, when you scroll down, the link's supposed to show here again. And one thing about Vidly too is that sometimes it will write something that reverse option, mainly pickup icon again, audio product, audio problems. It adds stuff to it. That's the con of Vidly. And Taja too wasn't getting the product name right. So these are the tags. These are the tags here. As you can see, you can edit it, or suggested title. You can change it if you don't like the other titles. Suggested sentences in the description. Suggested tags. So as you can see, this is Vidly. So what you do is you copy it to clipboard and paste it on your YouTube when you uploading your video. So as you can see, both softwares are good, but if you're under budget, I think you can go for the $27, or in case you like Taja. Taja too is a good software, but it couldn't get the product name right. So anytime you do create, you make a video, you upload, and you want a title, suggest titles here, but still it's saying Dino instead of Dino, so you have to correct it. So as you can see, this is it. Thanks for watching. Comment below which one you think is better, which one you like.